What do snoring, sleep apnea, chronic sinus infection, sinusitis, and nasal allergies all have in common? Hi, I'm Dr. Swanik, and I'd like to introduce you to the nasal-specific therapy. This non-surgical procedure addresses the underlying structural component of these and other conditions related to nasal breathing. There are 52 places the bones of your face come together right here. The nasal-specific therapy realigns the bones of your face in much the same way a chiropractor realigns the bones of the rest of your skeleton. If you can relate to these or any other conditions that affect your breathing, the nasal-specific therapy may be right for you.